Guys, we're back out here working on the Nitro Bass Boat, and we are finally to the point where we can start recarpeting the actual boat and not just the top of the cabinets. We have enough carpet for hopefully all of it, and we don't have to get any more. But right now, as you can see right here, we're laying out a template on the front because I was dumb and just decided to cut the carpet in every way possible and just rip it out in little pieces. So I don't have anything to go off of. So right now, I'm literally taking pieces of paper, taping them together to make a template, and hoping this works. But let's jump right into it, and let's start carpeting the whole boat. Well, it is in. We just have to now flip it up, glue it down, and then slam some buckets of paint and weights on it so that it sits perfect. And then also, this little thing has a cord on it, so I got to cut that little slit in quick. But then it will slide right up, right under these even, and the carpet's going to look great. I can't wait to have this carpet in and have the full thing done. But right now, we're going to slap some glue down, and we're going to get this carpet down. And just like that, we got the weights on it, the plywood down to hold it down, and the front carpet is on. That is a big, let me just tell you, a big step to finishing this boat. Because now we actually really don't have that much left to do. We just have this little section, and then these little sections right there. And then we are officially done with the boat. So now, while we wait for this right here to dry, because I need these weights to do the back section back there that I just showed you, I'm gonna take a break, probably get those cut out in the meantime so that when this is done drying, I can throw those on, glue them up, and have that all done. But I will catch you cutting those out and gluing it in. Well, guys, after about 45 minutes to an hour, I got the back all glued in after cutting it and everything. Probably took an hour. Now we just have to let it dry, but then we are officially on to putting everything back in the boat, from the covers to the compartments to all the cup holders and everything, that and the windshields and stuff and the seats. But can't wait to get into fully finishing this thing and putting it all completely back together. But for this week, that is the video. We have the full boat, the actual boat, carpeted. And let me tell you, I am stoked on it. Can't believe it is officially done. But thank you guys for watching. We will catch you in next week's video, where hopefully we have the whole boat wrapped up and completely done. But also, make sure to tell your friends, family, and whoever else that at 25,000 subscribers, if we hit it by the end of the year, we are giving this boat away. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and we will catch you next week.